Hey guys, if you have any leftover sourdough discard that you do not know what to do with, keep watching this video. I'm going to show you how to make this super easy sourdough discard granola. So first things first, get your sourdough discard out and get it to room temperature if you keep it in the fridge. We are putting about 1/4 of a cup of this sourdough discard into the bowl. I eyeballed this, it might have been a little bit more, but that's okay, this recipe is forgiving. Next, we are going to go in with a tablespoon of melted coconut oil. You can use different kinds of oil, I prefer coconut. Then to sweeten this up a little bit, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Go with the pure maple syrup. This will be better taste, better texture. And then we're going to go in with about, an eyeball, a little splash of vanilla. And that's it for the wet ingredients. So we are just going to stir this until fully combined. Alright, looks like it is fully together now. It is time to add the dry ingredients. So I'm going in with a cup and a half of rolled oats. You could replace the last half cup with rice cereal, that could be good too. Now we're going to go in with half a cup of chopped pecans. You can really customize this granola and put in really whatever you want. Then we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Again, this will just sweeten it right up for you. And I decided to put in some sunflower seeds as well. So we're doing 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. And then we're eyeballing some nutmeg, basically to taste if you like nutmeg. And then we are going to also put in a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And lastly, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to mix that all together until the ingredients are fully wetted in. This should just take a minute or so. Once you have it all combined, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And we're going to spread the mixture over the parchment paper, and then we are going to press it into an even layer so that this cooks evenly. I'm gonna get every last bit there. And now we are going into the oven. I preheated it at 350, and for this first bit of time we are going to be baking for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rotate your pan, and then this will go for another 5 to 10 minutes. My oven bakes a bit warmer, so this was more on the 5-minute side, just depends on your oven. Once it's complete, we are pulling it out, and I'm giving you guys a little bit of a look here. Got a little bit crispy on the edges, but that is okay, it still tasted good. Just gonna set it on the counter, leave it for 30 to 60 minutes to cool down. Once it's fully cool, then you guys can break it up and put it into an airtight container. Plastic bag, mason jar, whatever you have. And that is it, you guys. Super easy, super simple. You're not getting any of the seed oils you typically get at the grocery store. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy.